We didn't inherit this place. We just got here early. And in the blink of a geological eye, we changed everything. We built towers that scrape the sky, networks that circle the globe, machines that think. Right now, server farms the size of small towns are burning energy around the clock, training artificial intelligence that we use to build, to create, to solve. And that same technology, it's decoding diseases that haunted us for centuries. It's catching cancer earlier. It's modeling cures faster than we ever dreamed. Progress isn't clean. Growth isn't quiet. And the future isn't free. Because life, all of it, has always been about one thing: balance.